For phonics today, we are reviewing the sounds that we're learning this week, as well as the sounds we learned last week here in the orange. So my turn, your turn. Ah, ah. So remember the L is silent. F, the B is silent. Ah, the GH is silent. Ah, ng. When you get to the blue words, you're going to sound them out if you don't know what they are. So let's say I didn't know what this word is. I would start here at the beginning, and I know that a T makes a T sound. Then I know that A-U-G-H makes an ah sound, and a T makes a T sound. So I go T, ah, T, taught. The word is taught. So please sound out all the blue words to yourself. Read the green words, and then read the red sentence. When you're done, go to the next slide. Our learning target is I can read AU words. So AU says ah. So you're going to drag and drop the pictures to the correct words. So you'll read the 8 words, and then you'll find the picture that goes with the word and drag and drop it. Let's identify what the pictures are. My turn, your turn. Laundry, sauce, pause, auto, sausage, August, autumn, launch. So one more time, those pictures are laundry, sauce, pause, auto, sausage, August, autumn, and launch. When you're done dragging and dropping the correct pictures to the words, make sure to press the X and the blue turn-in button.